RoboDK is a powerful offline simulator for industrial robots. With RoboDK, you have access to our online library of more than 200 robots. It's very easy to find your robot or select a new robot according to your project needs. You can select a robot by brand, payload, reach, and repeatability. You can also use a predefined set of tools, or model your own tools. You can double-click the robot and jog axis by axis in the robot panel. You can manually set the position of the tool with respect to the robot frame. Here you see how to change the robot configuration. You can visualize the robot workspace for your wrist, the tool flange, or your current tool. You can also drag and move any reference frame using the Alt key, such as the robot flange, robot tool, or any other object reference. RoboDK provides a powerful and user-friendly way to create programs offline. You can move the robot to a target and create a new joint movement. RoboDK will automatically generate a new target that can be modified later. In this case, the target 1 represents the home target. You can repeat the same operation to add other linear or circular movements, grab tools, and other basic instructions. You can double-click your program anytime and the robot will execute the sequence. RoboDK will warn you if the movement can't be completed successfully. In this case, joint 5 is too close to 0 degrees, which is a singularity. You can easily select, drag, and move any target with the Alt key and retry running the updated sequence. This allows improving the robot paths to keep them away from singularities. Another way to move the targets while keeping our path intact would be using a reference frame. We can easily add a reference frame and make the 3 targets of our path depend on the reference frame. If we drag and drop the targets using the Shift key, the original path will be kept intact. We can update the program to use the new reference frame and retry executing the same program. Now we can easily move the reference frame and our targets are automatically updated. The icon of the targets will warn us if that target is reachable as we move our reference. Finally, we can right-click the program and output the appropriate program for our robot. RoboDK will take care of handling the syntax appropriate to your robot brand. RoboDK provides an example of a basic pick-and-place operation. If you run this first example, you can see an ABB robot moving 5 parts from one table to another. With RoboDK, it's very easy to grab and drop a part with the tool. The robot will move the target selected depending on the active reference frame. In this case, it can be either table 1 or table 2. Finally, we can output the robot program for the ABB robot.